Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Kylie Jenner sent the internet into an emotional meltdown as she shared sweet glimpses from her trip to Disneyland with son Aire and daughter Stormy on Friday. The Kardashians star took her and Travis Scott's son, who turned a year old this month, on his first public outing to the popular amusement park. Kylie Jenner takes son Aire on the first Disneyland trip with daughter Stormy. Kylie, taking to her Instagram stories, dropped videos and pictures from the fun day out. She was also joined by her sister Kim Kardashian and Kanye West's youngest daughter Chicago. These two, the Kylie Cosmetics founder, captioned the picture of the girls in matching 3D shades. Kylie then shared an adorable video of Aire trying first sweet treat of ice cream while sitting in a stroller. First ice cream, the mom captioned the clip. Back in January, Kylie finally revealed Aire's name and shared a roundup of sweet moments from the past 12 months since welcoming Aire into her life. Thanks for watching and please don't forget to subscribe my channel.